Hello. So as we mentioned previously, we'll be starting off with the job openings for freshers and also for the interns and also for the 1, 2 or 3 years of experience folks. Now for this, let's start off, and that we can do weekly or bi-weekly depending upon how many opportunities are coming in for you guys. But make sure before even watching the video, you should have watched the video of how to make the resume. Just write on YouTube Aryan Mittal resume. You will find this video with the template itself, which you can copy, both Google Doc and Overleaf template. Now let's come back and see that first opportunity we have is of software engineer 1 Python developer from JP Morgan and Chase. Although in this you will see that it is written that they need 2+ years of applied experience, but usually 1+ years of experience also works. It's just that you should just make sure that you are familiar with the things which they are requiring. And again, when I say you must be familiar, you should not be every rule, which means, let's say if I know the software like SDLC, I know, that's great. I know the normal CI/CD GitLab stuff, that's great. So now they are saying, okay, emerging knowledge of software applications and technical processes. So these like AI, machine learning, all that stuff, it is not much required. So you have to weight everything that, okay, how much is sufficient for me to apply. So I'll say even if you have a basic knowledge of development, you should apply in this. Now going to next, which is software engineer 2 full stack Google Cloud. See, in Google, software engineer 2 is the starting role. So for freshers, it is this opportunity, very good opportunity. Now whenever I mention any opportunity, there are two options. You will see that one is apply from here itself, and other is that, okay, let's say I apply from here. One option is this. Other option is that I can just copy this name. I can go on Google and say Google career. Right now, I'll just come on to Google careers, and then I can simply paste my job openings and then apply at the Google page. Now it will show all the opportunities in multiple regions. So like Warsaw has this. We can just choose the region if we want. Let's say I want only Bangalore, so I can just choose only Bangalore, and then you can see I can apply from here itself. So you know now that you can apply from here itself. Again, it just will say 1 year of experience with software development and programming. This can be done for freshers also. Now coming on back, that for sure freshers apply for these roles. So yeah. Now coming on back, that you can apply via the career page. I'll highly recommend not to apply from this apply button. Apply via career or via referral. Via referral, you can just simply go down and see that how many of the people, or basically if you write Google, you will see how many people are in the connections. You can apply from that itself. It just says that the qualification, you should have a BTech and 1 year's experience in software development in one of the programming language, which means you should be familiar with the programming language. That's it. No one is asking, okay, 1 year of, I can just simply say I have experience. I have a 4 year experience in building projects. I have experience. And also for sure for Google, you need DSA. Now going on to next hiring, which is software engineer by Microsoft. Again, this is in 2 locations, which is one is in Hyderabad and another one is in Bangalore. Now you will see that okay, I should actually reopen that. Now you will see that one in the Hyderabad, you can see meet the hiring team. So it's highly important that when you see this thing, meet the hiring team, you should go and message that. But if you don't have premium, then you might not be able to message. So one option is that, okay, I'll open this person's name and then I can come on to her LinkedIn. From here, I can either message, again, it will not work. Then I can send a connection request with a note. Now this note should be having a referral. And that referral template, you can just see from this shot. Here I have explained, this is the referral template which you can copy exactly and send it to any person, which will actually come up and will have a amazing reply for you. So this is one option for just to ask the recruiter itself. And other option is that you can just go and search for this person using this signal hire extension, which I've already told in here also, in this video also. But you can just, mine right now is signed out, so I have to log in again. But from here you can get the email ID and then you can apply from there itself. Now going on to next opportunity, software engineer 1 by MasterCard. Again, in this you will go and see the entire description they have. They are requiring a lot of web technologies, so you should know HTML, JavaScript. So now it's good. If you are good with these stuff, then go ahead and apply in that. If even if not, let's say if you're very normal, still you should apply. God knows what they ask, right? So this is for our software engineer one by MasterCard. And again, I have chosen only the one which are the recent ones. Only one of the opportunities there which is actually 1 month old. Rest all are very recent and also reposted, which means they are still open. Never go beyond 1-2 months for any opening, because that might be closed, that might already be hired. Right now, we have software engineers, Barclays. Now in this, you will see that we are just looking for experienced Kubernetes with a wealth of experience managing Kubernetes clusters. So it's just that you should be good at DevOps and specifically Kubernetes. Now they are just demanding that, and that will be more sure good for you, and that's in Pune. Next, and again, all the links will be down below for you to actually apply. Next is IBM software engineers, and that's in Kochi, Kerala. Now required skill, a good knowledge in C++, Java, Python, and basically these kind of shell languages, Unix and all that stuff, and a bit internet communication protocols. That is what they're requiring. That's it. Which is a basic which we learn in college. That's it, right? So we can simply apply here also. And again, the interview questions, you can simply go and search what IBM asks for usually. Now coming on, software engineer, same. One was in Hyderabad, the one right here is in Bangalore. Coming on next, we have PhonePe full stack job, software engineer. It's in Bangalore, Bangalore, Karnataka. And in this, it will say we need a 2 to 4 years of a full stack experience. But still, if you can just prove, okay, I have worked full stack for last 2 years. I have built my personal portfolio. I have worked on multiple projects for last 2 years. Then you can easily say that, okay, even if I'm a fresher, or even if right now I have experience of just, let's say, 1 year, still I can apply in this job. Because you should be having to say, okay, it's worth it for this person to be interviewed because he has it, he has worked it. It is not the actual industry experience they are asking. They're asking for just the experience. So I have seen many people just skip these jobs. Don't skip it, apply. Now, last but not least, we have a software engineer system infrastructure by LinkedIn. Now, like not such a great, but so it just says that, okay, you'll design and basic qualifications, that BA, BS, 2 years of industry experience in software development, algorithm analytics solutions. So even 1 year of experience will actually work, because that's not a very, like, depending on the job, it just depends upon that how you can switch and come up to like different roles. So that's it for today. We'll be bringing on more such opportunities. Just comment down below what kind of roles you are looking for. Specifically, let's say, what companies you want me to monitor and bring out the opportunities for them. Both, like for example, you're looking for internships, so what kind of internships you are looking for, and I just want to know a bit background of what's your background, like how many years of experience you have, so that relative openings I will be bringing in. Cool. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.